Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view saved items in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app, and here it usually opens up in the feed, right here. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Then at the top we find saved. If you tap on this, and then here we are going to find the items that we have saved, and the videos, the posts, the pictures, whatever we're going to see here. And we can also create a collection for our saved items, where we can organize them based on topics, based on whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.